I'd like to take a little break from Hawaii and explore someplace colder. I think I found it.
My people, it's time to move out. Move out. My people, it's time to move out. Show 'em what we do now.
Alright, well I finally made it through security after they had to check my bags. My backpack once, my roller bag twice. Anyway, on my way to Denver. Two things I'm going to be doing up there. I've got a few meetings, which I'm stoked about. I just finished a film from our Hawaii trip that I'm going to show a few people. Excited about that. And I'm going to see a friend that I haven't seen in maybe 4 or 5 years now. So I booked a few meetings and now I can write off the trip. Yay!
Fly away. Fly away with me. It's time to fly away. Fly away. His blood set me free. It's time to fly away. While I'm slipping like an absent thought, rollerblade skipping, skidding along the top of Noah's Ark. Cypher holy yacht, me and my people think.
I just got into Denver airport. It's about 70 degrees here tomorrow. The high is 30. Day after that, the high is 19 and snow. So it'll be quite the change. Almost kind of feels like Phoenix right now. Not tomorrow.
I remember being so high I didn't know that the low could unfold, sleeping with eyes of gold.
You know, Denver is one of those towns that cities, I guess city, I just love to visit. Lots of energy in this town. I like it. It's good. The street art, well, it's pretty damn good too. Yeah. It's about 60 when I walked home after getting some food. Tomorrow's high of 30, so I think I have to say bye-bye to these until I get back to Phoenix. Well, it's Monday morning and it's a bit colder than yesterday. And it wasn't supposed to snow till tonight, but looks like snow to me. Maybe this isn't considered snow in Denver. I don't know. Making fresh tracks. Yeah. Sometimes you just have to use what you got. You know, as I've been walking around this morning, I've seen several people out with snow shovels. I don't see that too often in Phoenix. And then I come across this stripe. Like somebody came out with their snow shovel, did about 20 feet, and said, you know what? F it, I'm done. Come on, do the whole thing. There's the problem, when you half-ass something, it shows. I mean, people can tell. You half-assed that. You didn't like put all your effort into it. And honestly, there's almost no point in that. Because if you're gonna do it right. Do it fully. Do it to the best you can. Well, I don't think I've done so bad. It's like a 2.5 mile walk. I'm actually quite roasty toasty. Even though it's about 14 degrees out. And it still has little flurries. I don't know if you guys can see that. This is fun. Well, my first meeting went great. My second meeting was right around the corner at 11 o'clock. It is currently 11 o'clock. And the door's locked. So it kind of looks like somebody may have forgotten that it was a holiday. And I get no second meeting today. Hopefully I can schedule it for tomorrow afternoon. But whatever. Walk around and take some more photos. know, I think it's great when cities and municipalities commission art. And at the skate park here in Denver, they've got this cool little, whatever it is, I don't know, maybe a busted skateboard on a couple of wheels. But if you look at it from this angle, alright, so my second meeting actually did happen. They just had the door locked and everybody was in the back, but I ended up walking by one last time and they had a dog in the door, so I figured somebody was there. That was a while ago. And now I'm on my way down to meet, well, down to the train. Taking the train down to meet my friend Daniel, who I haven't seen in quite a few years. We're stoked on it. He's a cool guy. Can't wait to hang out with him again.
This is the University of Colorado A line to Denver.
Alright, I'm here. Where's Daniel? Oh, cold. It looks like a rental Nissan. Is that you?
Oh my god.
There. Well, good morning, everyone. It's awful nice and sunny and bright out this morning. It's also about 4 degrees. 4. Count my degrees on one hand. It's too cold. But damn it, it's pretty. We're gonna be heading up to Nederland. Hopefully it's this pretty and sunny up there because I brought my drone. And hopefully we can get some really cool, fresh powder drone shots. It's fucking cold up here. But we made it up to Nederland and past there. And we can go play around in the snow. Well, I packed up the drone for now. It's just giving me all sorts of like compass errors and stuff. It wouldn't go over 16 feet. It was flying all over the place, really hard to control. I think even my gear doesn't like it up here. It's so cold. It wants to go back to Phoenix too, where it's warm.